is a sincere pleasure to be here. I thank all the organizers at OIS for inviting me to come. And I'm going to be presenting an update on the Gemini Refractive Capsule, risks and reward, real estate, and future-proofing the eye. Before we do that, a few questions. Who here enjoys predicting the future, or reading people's minds, or doing microsurgery on patients who are wide awake and freely complain about their experience on social media after surgery? All while implanting a device that may be a nightmare to remove if all your predictions were wrong. If you like all that, well, welcome to the world of refractive cataract surgery in 2018. So I call this the great lens gamble because when patients come see me, it's really hard sometimes to assess all of their needs, to educate them about the lens choices, the optics, and the opportunities that are presented in front of them. And I think a lot of surgeons sometimes feel that, and it's very fearful. So what do? I think a lot of us will hedge our bets, will recommend low risk, low reward options for patients, and will downplay the higher reward, maybe higher risk options as unsafe or unwise, and we move on, preventing patients from really getting the vision that we want them to have and the vision that they want for themselves. At Omega, we're trying to change that value proposition. So the challenge is really, we're not only playing roulette with our choices of lens style and power, we're also closing the door on what I think is some of the most precious real estate in the human body, and that's a lens capsule. We'll talk about that a little bit later down the road, but we know technology is going to improve over time. Why would we not want our cataract or refractive lens patients to be able to participate in those advantages as we move forward and we develop better lenses down the road? I think one of the biggest problems in ophthalmology right now is we're stuck in an old paradigm. We always have thought about small, thin lenses, foldable lenses going through small incisions, and we've kind of forgotten the old timeless principle of form follows function. We've accepted that a small, thin disc is an acceptable replacement for a thick, voluminous lens. Well, I think that it's time that we change that proposition and think about the form follows function. And what I'd like to do now is show you our vision for the future of cataract surgery.
What if a single device could change the way we treat the most common ophthalmic conditions, including cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration, and at the same time provide a platform for the integration of augmented reality? Introducing the Omega Gemini Refractive Capsule, the platform that forever links ophthalmology to high technology. This device is a three-dimensional implant that keeps the capsular bag open, accepts a proprietary exchangeable optic, and maintains an open space for drug delivery, biometric sensors, and additional lens technologies. Our device has been engineered to work with intraoperative aberrometry to ensure that the correct visual outcome is achieved. It is designed to hold additional lenses that can be implanted during the primary surgery for refractive fine-tuning or, in the future, to upgrade the patient's vision. Gone are the worries of choosing the correct lens power or exchanging technology that a patient may not tolerate. By maintaining an open space in the capsular bag, we have created the optimal platform to house intraocular technology. This protected environment may be the perfect place to seamlessly integrate augmented reality and electronic devices, providing a new frontier for future technological advancements. The future of innovation is a journey into open space. The Omega Gemini Refractive Capsule is the next platform to take us there.
So we have to think about the advantages of having the capsule open. What if we don't have the capsule contracting around the optic? What if we have that space open for removal, exchange, or upgrading implants down the road? What if we can solve for effective lens position so that's no longer a giant variable? There's a ton of space inside the capsule that currently we're just conceding to defeat when we put in a small disc-shaped optic. Really what we're talking about is an optical real estate platform, and that's what we want to bring to the market. Here is one of our first human implantations of our current design. As you'll notice, this goes through a standard injector. It's actually a 2.1 millimeter injector. The entire capsule is injected in mass into the capsule with little to no manipulation necessary. And it unfolds beautifully. And once it's unfolded, it provides a platform for any traditional C-arm haptic shaped lens that can sit in there. It's easy to vacuum behind and works nicely. So currently we've done 3 small pilot trials. So 18 patients throughout the world have had the Gemini capsule. There have been no ongoing adverse events compared with control. We've met all of our endpoints. And we're planning, in the interest of time, I'll show a couple other things here. We're seeing nice results with our UBMs, great slit lamp photos as well, showing stability. Skipping through here just a bit. The future for our company is based on the next month or so. We're doing a large-scale 30-patient trial. We will be following those patients and looking at all the results that we will hopefully be able to share with you at the next OIS. We're very excited about the future and happy to answer any questions. On behalf of myself and our CEO, Rick Ifland, thank you for this distinguished opportunity.